This is not a motorcycle that begs for attention. This is a motorcycle that exists to remind you what real riding feels like, pure, unfiltered, and unapologetically alive. In a world where motorcycles are becoming more about screens and safety, nets than about mechanical connection, where ride modes proliferate faster than the miles you actually ride, there still exists a machine, built for riders who know what they want and how to use it. The 2027 Kawasaki KX500 is not here to dominate spec sheets. It is not here to impress algorithms or chase trends. It's here to remind us why riders ride. Because there are still machines built to be truly ridden. This motorcycle is not a chameleon pretending to do everything. It is not a mild-mannered enduro pretending to be user-friendly. It is pure and purposeful, a machine that exists in its element and demands respect. The KX500 isn't built to babysit its rider. It's built to engage them, to demand precision, to reward mastery, to feel alive under your hands in a way few modern machines ever attempt. From the very first glance, the KX500 communicates intent. Its silhouette is unmistakable, lean, muscular, and ready. The plastics hug the frame with purpose, shaped by airflow and function rather than flash. The tank, seat, and tail section flow seamlessly, each surface positioned to allow the rider to shift body weight effortlessly with every movement. There are no needless angles begging for attention. No gimmicks trying to look futuristic. Instead, the design feels honest, lived in and earned. Kawasaki has refined the visual identity for 2027 without losing the core character that has defined the KX lineage for decades. The green isn't gaudy, it's confident. The accents are bold without being loud. This is a motorcycle with presence, not pretense. Even standing still, the KX500 doesn't need flash to impress. Its stance says everything. Readiness, capability, and a refusal to compromise. Climb onto the KX500 and the first thing you notice is how everything feels direct. There's no ambiguity in the seating position. No compromise between comfort and control. The seat is firm, narrow, and purposeful, designed to allow the rider constant movement, not to cradle them into passivity. The handlebars fall naturally into your hands, encouraging an aggressive posture that feels alive and engaged. The foot pegs sit high and wide, giving you leverage and authority over the machine rather than leaving you passive or distant. This is not a motorcycle that wants you to settle in. It wants you in control. Every centimeter of the cockpit is purposeful. You don't sit on the KX500, you become part of its motion. At the heart of the 2027 Kawasaki KX500 lies its defining feature, the engine. In a landscape dominated by four strokes,